Imagine a world where your doctor's visit happens from the comfort of your home, with real-time health monitoring and data analysis. Welcome to the Internet of Medical Things. In this video, we will explore how IoT is reshaping the healthcare landscape. The Internet of Medical Things merges IoT and healthcare, enabling devices to communicate seamlessly. This not only enhances patient care but also optimizes healthcare operations. Are you ready to dive in? One of the key benefits of IoT is remote patient monitoring. Patients can now track their health metrics in real time, allowing healthcare providers to make timely decisions and intervene when necessary. This can lead to improved outcomes and patient satisfaction. Did you know that 70% of patients prefer telemedicine over in-person visits? This preference is shaping how healthcare providers deliver services. By using IoT, they can easily monitor chronic conditions, reducing hospital visits and associated costs. However, the adoption of IoT isn't without challenges. Issues like data privacy concerns, cybersecurity threats, and the digital divide can hinder widespread acceptance. What do you think could be the solution? As we explore these challenges, we must also recognize the incredible potential of IoT. With advancements in AI and machine learning, predictive analytics can offer personalized healthcare solutions, making treatment more effective than ever before. If you're finding this topic as fascinating as we are, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights on the future of healthcare. Your support helps us keep creating valuable content. Now, let's delve into some groundbreaking applications of IoT. From smart pill bottles that track medication adherence to connected inhalers that monitor lung function, IoT is making healthcare more proactive and patient-centered. Consider this: studies show that smart wearables can reduce hospital readmission rates by up to 40%. This statistic underlines the importance of integrating technology into patient care. How can we leverage this potential even further? Looking to the future, IoT will play a crucial role in personalized medicine, tailoring treatments based on individual health data. Imagine a world where your health decisions are backed by comprehensive real-time data. As we conclude, remember that the Internet of Medical Things is more than just a trend, it's a transformative movement in healthcare. Stay tuned for our next video where we explore the ethical implications of AI in medical care. In summary, IoT offers immense potential for enhancing patient care and streamlining healthcare systems. The benefits outweigh the challenges, and with continued innovation, we can expect a healthier future.